Hey, it's Mark Alexander with Benchmark Mortgage. Just wanted to give you a quick Friday tip to help save you money going into the weekend here. What I'm going to be talking about today is how you can pay the same amount of interest over a 30-year mortgage at a 6% interest rate and a 4.875% interest rate. And so, the strategy here is what's called a biweekly payment structure, a biweekly payment schedule when you're paying your mortgage down. So, in this situation, we have a $600,000 home putting 20% down, and the principal and interest of a mortgage on a 6% mortgage is $2,877. Now, what I want to show you is that if we basically set up a biweekly payment schedule, that means you're going to make half of your mortgage payment every 2 weeks versus making your entire mortgage payment once per month. When you make your entire mortgage payment once per month, you're making 12 monthly payments in a 12-month calendar year. If you take half of your mortgage payment and pay it every 2 weeks, what ends up happening is there's 26 biweekly payments, which comes out to 13 total mortgage payments over the entire year. So you have a whole mortgage payment that goes directly towards principal every year. And what ends up happening by doing that is you end up shaving off the freedom point on your mortgage to go from 30 years down to about a little over 24 years. So you shave off over 5 years on your mortgage by doing this. So the math behind this is you take 2877. So this again is a $480,000 mortgage, 6% interest rate. You take this, you divide it by two, and you set this up on auto pay, so it makes it really easy. Every other Friday, you make the 1438 versus the 2877 once per month, and you end up making 37,400 in total payments versus 34,524. So you end up making more in principal reduction payments by doing that. And in this 6% biweekly payment structure, what ends up happening over 30 years is you actually end up paying the exact same or actually a little bit less in total interest by doing the biweekly, even at a 6% rate. So you actually save money at a 6% rate versus a 4.875% rate. It obviously doesn't mean that getting a 4.875% rate is better. That obviously would be better, but we have to get strategic in this market. And so if your concern right now is buying in a market with higher interest rates, if you budget properly, you can get strategic and actually pay as if you're kind of paying a higher 4% interest rate or a low 5% interest rate. So I hope this Friday tip is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We always look forward to helping your clients or anybody you know in your sphere with mortgage related financing. Have a great weekend.